There are many groundbreaking benefits of using a hearing aid with a microphone and receiver in ear, such as improved localization, speech recognition, and overall improved sound quality. Another benefit of using M&RIE is understanding speech in a windy situation. Today, we will listen to two different sets of hearing aids, ReSound 1 and another brand. First, let's listen to another brand, which has microphones responsible for capturing sounds of the environment located behind the user's ear. Thanks for joining me outside, though I hope it's not too windy. There really is nothing like getting some fresh air. Now, I've replaced another brand's hearing aids with ReSound 1. ReSound 1 uses 3 microphones, including one placed inside the ear canal. Let's listen to the same scene. Thanks for joining me outside, though I hope it's not too windy. There really is nothing like enjoying some fresh air. As you can hear, the microphone and receiver of ReSound 1 enables better speech understanding in a windy situation. So whether you're out for a run or just enjoying a summer day, you can hear comfortably.